Anything else, Coach Janet?
Daanan ko lang yung mga bagong products para mas ma-appreciate ninyo
Sige.
that Live Good is
Okay.
really, we are tapping the pet industry, multiple na pet products, multivitamins. So we will be dominating, sabi ni Ben, we will be dominating the pet industry. Organic, wala pang gumagawa.
Ang pet, ano siguro, pwede yan sa Philippines, ha?
Hopefully, oo naman, pwede siguro to, Coach.
Pwede, no? Oo.
And then, ayan, so high quality. And then fibers, fiber product natin dahil daw 95% deficient tayo. Liver support, black seed oil, bone support,
Wow.
and house cleaners. Ngayon, itong ating, meron pong mga reformulation ng ating hydration stick. So, ngayon, lemon lime. Magiging watermelon siya. So, iti-test nila kung saleable siya. It will be run for a limited time. Pero kung okay ang response natin, mag-stay siya long term. Also, yung ating, CBD oil. Yan, hindi yan available sa inyo pero may reformulation din yan. And then, it will be itong ating itong bone support, I think 3 weeks, and also yung bone support in 3 weeks time. Yan po ang mga in the works po na ilalabas po nila. So meron yung printing, it will be in printing, yung hydration sticks malapit na rin siya. So 2 weeks, 3 weeks may mga lalabas na ilalive ng mga products ulit sa ating back office. So
Yan ang sign, no? That is a sign na ang Live Good may pera talaga. Dami pera ni Ben. Sobrang dami.
yun,
And
sinagot for CBD, tama. So, ibig sabihin nito, talagang they are on the mission, they're really serious on the mission and vision sa Live Good. So, there's no, quitting should never be an option. Just like po, lagi namin sinasabi, immerse yourself with the business, immerse yourself sa value ng Live Good, and napaka-importante, dapat klaro po sa inyo bakit ka nag-join ng Live Good. You are not there to subscribe monthly for nothing, right? So, kaya tayo nagsusubscribe because we know the value of our products, we know the value of our business, and yun nga, we save money. So, yun lang. The keyword for tonight is value and fab. Kilalanin po natin ang business natin. Talagang i-immerse mo yung sarili mo. Yun lang ang i-advise ko for now. So, again, our roadmap to success, lagi, GPS, get in, plug in, stay in. Now that you got in, plugging in is very important. Attend po tayo ng Zoom trainings, leadership trainings, kasi it is not all about recruitment. We have a continuity plan that is in creating value sa bawat isa sa atin. So, be accountable, be responsible sa inyong team, sa inyong downline, sa inyong core leaders. And yes, let's see you all at the top. Thank you, Coach Fernan.
thank you, Coach Janet. Yeah, this is your business, so be the owner, no, of your own business. Daily, we have a presentation, no, from Tuesday to Saturday, 7:45 p.m. And then we have morning session, no? Tuesday, Wednesday, meron na rin tayo. Thursday, Friday. So we have 9:45 a.m. Ano din to? AMP din to. Presentation din to. Okay? But we have training ng Saturday night, no? 9:30 p.m. And that is now new affiliate orientation. Ang gagaling ng speaker natin dyan. And kapag Saturday, this is a special basic training. Bagay na bagay dito yung mga new affiliate, new member, even prospect, pwede nyo dalhin, no? Sa 9:45 a.m. ng Saturday. Mga 10 a.m. nag-start tayo dyan. So, dalhin nyo po dyan yung mga bago nyo para magkaroon sila ng direction. Pag Sunday naman po, ano natin to, bonding time, and of course, no, every other Sunday we have bonding time, then training, bonding time, training. Minsan kinukuha natin special meeting ng mga selected leaders. All right, so happy end of month, no? Congratulations sa mga new rank up, no? Bronze man yan, silver man yan, gold, no? Yung naghahabol ng gold, tapusin nyo na. Kung kaya naman, di ba? Pakinabangan nyo rin yung members to members program ni Ben na binabasa atin. Baka mamaya, konti na lang yung kulang mo to become a gold. Ikukunin mo na using members to members program, and then i-convert na lang natin to become an affiliate. Ipa-yearly natin. No? At tip ko lang to, kung konti na lang naman ang kulang, no? Naghabol ka ng platinum, konti na lang yung kulang mo, lalo na diamond. Konti na lang kulang mo, baka hindi mo naintindihan yung maitutulong ng members to members program na binigay ni Ben. Okay, so congratulations sa lahat, and always remember God is good all the time. Hindi niya tayo pinababayaan, and continue to serve, no, our people. Our labor is not in vain. Magbubunga po yan pagdating ng araw. So get 3, help 3, 7 weeks or 7 months, you become a diamond. Go for 100 diamond. Bye for now. God bless. Thank you, Coach Janet.